Well, moving on to other stories. With efforts by the Lagos State government to meet the communal needs of its residents, there are concerns information is not reaching those mostly affected. The state government invited residents from various strata, sensitizing them to key into the programs and seek medical attention when necessary. Retirees, students, traders, and community leaders are some of the residents of Lagos gathered for this sensitization program by the Office of the First Lady. Dr. Ibijoke Sanwo-Olu notes that quite some programs have been rolled out in recent years, but beneficiaries appear to be clustered amongst a certain group of persons, necessitating a reach out through random selection of residents.
This time last year, when we had something like this, we had a medical mission attached to this. So it was like one stop, one shop fits all the sizes.
The issue that the First Lady has decided to address under the program is germane and are some of the very important issues that government has developed projects, initiatives, and strategies to address.
This program is another opportunity to bring sunshine into the lives of the beneficiaries with the provision of equipment and other materials.
The gathering is an opportunity to sensitize residents against effects of drug abuse and other health challenges to look out for.
Washing, very, very important. It prevents so many other diseases. Diarrhea diseases, cholera, we are all at risk of all these diseases, not only for monkeypox, not only for Lassa, not only for Ebola, not only for COVID-19.
When drug use is not medically necessary, when drug is not prescribed and you just go ahead to take drugs, you are abusing drugs.
Those present identify the importance of keeping residents informed, which will maximize the budgetary allocations on projects centered on human capital development.
Women should not be idle at home. Women should be supportive. They should support their relatives, their children, and their husbands. As even if the woman is retired, that does not mean she should be sleeping at home.
I've been exposed to some information like the LASWACO, Lagos State Water Regulatory Commission, because I live in an area whereby we don't have water, we don't have access to water for over 5 years, and we have just bowls upon bowls, and at times the waters are smelly. So by the intervention of LASWACO, we can bring in policies to make sure that we have access to clean water in our community.
The state government is also handing out startup equipment to some residents as they hope to improve the capacity of those willing to fetch a living.